And they're up. Landed Bisa moving up now is Mutiara to take the lead. Senora Elijah running on the outside. Moonraker. Madam Composita is sneaking in down on the inside. Then running in between runners Smart. Alec running on the outside. Escape Artist. Then comes Manila's Smile by the Real Marcus Empire. Quick play comes next, followed by Reporter. Third last, Mike Zam Lady. Okie dokie. Second last, while Devil Racing is racing in 14th with 200 meters to go. Is Smart Alec now the leader running on the outside. Moonraker Mutiara with 75 meters more to run. Is Smart Alec winning this race over Moonraker, Mutiara, then comes Senor Elijah and Madam Composita for your Pentapecta.
All right.